How the container locates artifacts at runtime in Maven. Now we are considering how the container locates artifact at runtime. In this is a particular configuration at runtime. With Linux here, the runtime, the process of locating Maven artifact is implemented by Eclipse Ether library, which is bundled in Karaf container, so that it is not necessary for Apache Maven to be installed on the container host. It is possible to customize Karaf containers Maven configuration by editing etc /org.ops4j pax.url.mun.cfg. Now we are considering locating artifacts at runtime. This figure shows the mechanism for handling a Maven URL and resolving Maven artifact at runtime. The step followed to locate Maven required Maven artifacts are the resolution of Maven artifact is triggered when user invokes osgi:install command on the Maven URL, or if a user invokes the features :install command on the feature that references some Maven URLs. To resolve the Maven URL, JVM callbacks on the protocol handler registered against the MUN scheme, which happens to be a pax URL ether component. Step 3, the pax URL ether component reads its configuration from the install dir /etc/org.apache ops4j.pax.url.mun.cfg file, and possibly also from a Maven settings.xml file if so configured. Pax URL ether layer passes the requested Maven URL and combines this information with the specified configuration in order to invoke the Eclipse Ether library. When the Ether library is invoked, the first step is to look up any local Maven repositories to try it and find Maven artifact. The following local repositories are configured by default. Step 4. Install directory /system, the JBoss Fuse system directory, which contains all the Maven artifacts that are bundled with JBoss Fuse distribution. The user home m.m2 /repository, the user's own local repository, and in the user's home directory, user home. If you like, you can customize list of local repositories to add your own custom Maven repository. If Maven artifact is found locally, skip locally. You can skip straight to step 7 here. In 5, if Maven artifact can't be found in the local repositories, Ether tries to look up specified remote repositories using list of remote repositories spied in the pax URL ether configuration. Because the remote repositories are typically located in the internet, accessed through the HTTP protocol, it is necessary to have internet access for this step to succeed. Note, if your local network requires you to use HTTP proxy to access internet, it is possible to configure pax URL ether to use HTTP proxy. 6. If the Maven artifact is found in the remote repository, Ether automatically install the artifact into the local the user's local Maven repository, so that another remote lookup will not be required. 7. Finally, assuming that the Maven artifact has successfully resolved, Karaf install the artifact in Karaf bundle cache. Install introductory /data /cache and loads the artifact, usually the OSGI bundle, into the container runtime. At this point, the artifact is effectively installed in the container. Here you can see the Karaf console here. This is specific configuration in basically Red Hat. I'm showing this to show how the container locates artifacts at runtime with Maven. Here the Karaf console is here, the step 1 here. Here the OSGI :install Maven, and step 2 here Maven : etc. And Karaf console is connected to PAX URL ether, and step 3 the PAX URL ether is it interacts with etc org ops4j.pax.url.maven.config here. Here you can see local repository equals and default repositories and repositories settings, etc. And this CFG interacts with title.m2 settings.xml Maven settings file. For the Eclipse ether stateless, it interacts with system directory, custom repository, and Maven local Maven repository. Here the system directory is here karaf.home /system. Here custom directory path to custom repository here, and local Maven repository here user home, and then m.m2 / repository. Step 5 here the Eclipse ether stateless is connected to HTTP proxy remote Maven repositories here. Step 6 here the is connected to Maven local Maven repository, and here step 7 the install the Karaf bundle cache is connected to Karaf bundle cache via install. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.